In this video, I'm going to compare Young Living versus Revive and kind of go over some of their most popular blends and give you the pros and cons of each one and help you hopefully make your best informed decision. As always, do your own research beyond this. Don't just take my word for one thing and make a decision. Get your information from a collective of different books and videos and aromatherapists, not just people that are selling oils also. Okay, so I have sourcing and control, and then some essential oil blends, and then some pricing comparisons, which we all know is a huge difference between the two brands, and that is probably the biggest reason that people either switch to Revive or use Revive just altogether instead of Young Living. But there's different little things here and there that I do think they both do really good, and then they both have some cons. So first is sourcing and control. Young Living has their seed to seal promise, which is just a promise unless you go visit their farms and actually get your hands on and see what they're doing. They don't share their test results, but they do show everything that they do is the highest of quality. So from the seed, making sure the seed is the highest quality, putting it in the ground into good organic soil, and then harvesting at the proper time, distilling, all of those things are done correctly as far as what they tell us and promise us. Revive focuses on sourcing essential oils directly from trusted distillers and farmers worldwide. So they get their oils their plants all over the place. Young Living does own several farms, so that's nice. Just cuts out another person, another source. So I do appreciate that. And I would love to go visit one of their farms. I think that is going to be definitely on my bucket list, but I appreciate them owning, like I said, it just cuts out another person so that they can ensure quality from the entire production process, from planting the seed to bottling and delivering your oil to you. So it does, I do appreciate that, and I see the benefits in that, obviously. Five Essential Oils prioritizes transparency, which I've always appreciated in every essential oil company that we use. They provide detailed information about where the oil is from, about all of the botanical names are on the bottles, which is a must-have if you're using an essential oil. It's the name that is next to or on the back of the bottle. So this is tangerine, but the botanical or the Latin binomial is Citrus reticulata, and that has to be on the bottle. Otherwise, you never know what's in it. So they're really transparent about that, the extraction methods used for each oil. They do third-party testing, and then they share the results. So it's a GCMS analysis, which basically just tells you what's in the oil and the percentage of each thing and their constituents, so the things that make up the oil, and I appreciate that transparency. It's not the only thing that you should consider when picking an essential oil brand, but that analysis does show you that the oil is pure and that it is what it says it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna do 3 of their most popular blends. Because I do think that they both have great blends. If you are a Young Living or doTERRA person, Revive has comparisons on their websites, MLM comparisons, I think it says, and you can, they have dupes or copycats of their popular blends. So you can go on and see that, which I'll link below. And then I'll put just here a side-by-side of their popular blend. So Thieves is Young Living's probably most popular essential oil blend. It is the immune support oil is what they call it. It's clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, lemon, and rosemary. And it's known for its cleansing properties, and it's often used to support a healthy immune system. And that's what they claim. Then Immunity Boost is the comparable one from Revive. And this is lemon, tea tree, eucalyptus, and frankincense. A little bit different and different oils, both having a lot of the same constituents and benefits, and also offering immune support and promoting overall well-being. Then we're comparing to calming or relaxing blends. So Peace and Calming from Young Living, Tangerine, Orange, Ylang Ylang, Patchouli, and Blue Tansy. This is one of my favorite blends by them. Valor, Peace and Calming. Those blends that came in the starter kit 3-4 years ago. Those are my favorite blends from Young Living. And then Relaxation is a comparable type of oil from Revive, and that's lavender, bergamot, patchouli, ylang ylang, and geranium. So a little bit more floral, but also just kind of helping relieve your stress in just a little bit different way. Then we have like a respiratory type of blend, and Purification is the one from Young Living that we'll compare. So it's citronella, lemongrass, rosemary, tea tree, and myrtle. It is often used to freshen the air and eliminate odors, to kind of purify things, right? So when you diffuse it, I don't have Purification anymore, but when I did use it, I like to add it to my laundry or cleaning stuff. And then Breathe Air is a blend kind of similar, more for like supporting congestion and respiratory things, but peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon, tea tree, and cardamom is in the blend Breathe Air. Those were two of the blends that were kind of in the same type of category of essential oil blend. But on their website, so Breathe Easy that I just shared is the comparable oil to RC from Young Living. I do have the same exact oils. And then the Peace and Calming dupe from Revive is called Zen. Again, same exact essential oils. I could try to put it right here for you too. Tangerine, orange, ylang ylang, patchouli, and then blue tansy. A couple others that I love so much, and I'm really like appreciate that Revive has them because they're like literally half the price, is Joy Essential Oil. That's my favorite blend, number one. Favorite blend. And then the oil that I use to balance my hormones, Progessence Plus, Revive also has that, and it has the wild yam also, and the same exact oils, and that's called Harmonious Healing, and that has worked the exact same for me. So I've been using that because it is half the price as Progessence Plus. Okay, so pricing and accessibility next, and I'll just kind of quickly go through this because I think this is well known, but just wanted to touch on it. So Young Living is a different type of business than Revive. So it's the MLM, so it's different structure. You have to become a member to get their special pricing, and then you are placed under someone, so they encourage you to build a team, and so on and so on. And we all know how that works. So there's a compensation plan, and you do not get the discount if you do not join as a member. I think it's easier to become a member now, but they have two different price points. So the first one is like astronomically high, and then you get like a 20% discount if you're a member, which brings it down a little, but it's still so high. And then Revive, their biggest thing is having the same oils at like half the price, or really, really good pricing, and I do appreciate that. They provide accessible prices to all customers. You don't have to become a member or do anything to get a special price. And then they have free shipping, which is amazing to me. I hate paying shipping. I will pay $59.99 for something, but then if it's $9.99 for shipping, I'm like, I'm not buying that thing. So I love free shipping. And then they also have a rewards program, which Young Living has, and a lot of people really, really love. It's their essential rewards. I think it's maybe called something different now, but basically you buy oils each month and then you rack up points and then you can redeem points. But Revive also has a rewards program, and a lot of essential oil companies have a rewards program, and you don't have to spend a certain amount to get anything. It's just you rack up like points and stuff. Okay, so they're both great quality oils. I respect and appreciate the quality of both. I don't love the structure of Young Living, which you guys should know if you've seen my videos, and I will try to link that below too if you are curious. I love how easy it is to just go on Revive's website and purchase the oils that I want at a really good price, free shipping, they come quick. Their customer service has been good too, from what I have experienced. So I really don't have any cons to Revive other than like their marketing is kind of like going against the MLMs, which I don't ever really like or approve of, like people that have to bring someone down to raise themselves up. But that's really the only thing about Revive that I'm not a huge fan of. So let me know, which brand do you like better? Do you like Revive? Do you like Young Living? Why not? The link to shop Revive will be down below, and I also do blog posts for every video that I do, so there's like a little bit more information that I didn't cover here, and then also links and stuff. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a good day. Bye.